I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. For this sequence, we need a pillow, so grab one, leave it by the side. Okay. Open your leg about your hip distance and reach your arms up, and let's do half moon side stretch. Inhale, exhale, reach to the right. And the gaze, you can bring your gaze down to the ground. Three, four, try to feel the lunar arc, and 5. Back to center and switch. Inhale, reach. Exhale, stretch to the left. And gaze down. Let's take 5 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And back to center. Now, open your leg wider, at least twice your hip distance, right? And from here, we're gonna take goddess pose. Inhale, make cactus pose, knee wide open bend. Try to ground yourself and cultivate soft power. 2, shoulder blades together, open up your chest. 3, 4, sinking your hips down. And 5. Now stretch your legs and relax your arms. Okay, now toes pointing inward, keep wider stance. And inhale, exhale, bend over, hinge on your hips. Now let gravity do the stretch. Relax your head, shoulders away from ears. From here, let's take peace fingers and grab your toes. And dangle your head. Imagine as if the tension pouring out from your body. Outer edge of your feet pressing down, kneecap lifting up. And core lifting up. If you want, sway your head gently to the side. And after 5 deep breaths, inhale halfway, exhale all the way up. Okay, now turn your toes and back toes slightly in, both knees straight. And let's take Trikonasana. Inhale, exhale. And today, let's make lunar arm. Okay. Like half moon arms. And the gaze down. Try to feel the soft power, soft grounded power. And try to keep a gentle lunar arc on your arm. And make sure to breathe. If after 5 deep breaths, back to center. Let's do the other side. Inhale and exhale. Today we're gonna make lunar arc. And gaze down. Make sure to keep your big toes pressing down. Hey, 5 deep breaths. 1, 2, 3. Subtle, gentle, soft power. 4 and 5. Back to center. Okay, so now let's take lower lunge pose with crescent arms. Interlace your fingers except index. 1. Use exhale to sink, ground your hips down. 2. As you inhale, reach your fingers upward. 3. 4 and 5. We just gonna simply switch the side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now lay down on your back. Just twist, bring your left leg to the right and look to the left. Here today we're gonna bring your left arm above your head to create lunar arc. Five deep breaths here. And back to center. Let's do the other side. And the right arm create half moon shape above your head. And now gaze to opposite side. And you can even soften your gaze or even close your eyes. And now, after 5 deep breaths, back to center. And now here we're gonna use pillow. Grab pillow. Insert underneath your hips. Under the sacrum. And it's the sole of your feet together. So we're gonna take reclining bound angle. Inhale. Exhale. Pour the tension out. Let it go. And for more like this, Check out this next video. See you soon!